Okay, dito tayo ngayon sa libingan ng mga bayani, and in my attempt to perform this task, it is impossible to light a candle dahil napakahangin sa mga sandaling ito. So, ilang posporo na yung aking nasayang. But anyway, we're here at the final resting place of celebrated Filipino author Nick Joaquin. Sir, good afternoon po. Yan, para kita po yung pangalan. May 4th, 1917, 29 April 2004. So he would have been 95 years old this year. And there is our house. Yeah, there you go. And yan yung mga kandila na hindi ko talaga masindi kahit anong gawin ko. Anyway, I hope mapasa ito. And let's okay, once I'm done recording, I'll offer a prayer for Mr. Joaquin. Okay, thank you.